Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to change the reply to address in Gmail. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log in with your email address and password if you haven't already. Once you're in Gmail, click Setting icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you can manage your email accounts and addresses. Scroll down to the Send Mail As section and find your email address. Next to it, click Edit Info. A new window will pop up. Here, you can enter a different reply to address. Just check the box that says Specify a different reply to address and enter the address you want replies to go to. After entering the reply to address, click Save Changes. Now, when someone replies to your emails, their response will go to the new address you've specified. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.